What's going on, fam? We're back. Welcome to today's channel. So we got a couple things to talk about. First things first, we're gonna try to get this up and running again. It is running. Like I said, it's just I need a new little mount for the floor, cause not the floor, but like the motor mount, I guess, like where the motor mounts onto that go-kart. I have to go ahead and fix that due to that. It's really like shaky, like, how do you say it? Well, right now it's not, but earlier it was all like dangling, so this chain keeps snapping off. So I got to go ahead and buy a metal plate, get that welded on there, and I got to clean up all this shit. We have a bunch of stuff here that's not needed, like this oil cooler's trash. Probably save us some of this piping. This is an old motor from the go-kart that I had planned to put on originally, but that didn't work out. Probably go through all this mess that I have, get rid of this bucket seat that I don't need no more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I gotta get rid of all this stuff. I'm thinking about painting the go-kart. Don't know what color, but if you guys have a little idea of how to, you know, what color should I paint it, what color should I paint the car, go ahead and drop that on the comments below. So yeah, pretty much gonna get that going. Get that painted, take it all apart, get it all nice and make it look good, you know. I'm trying to see if I can finish that before 4th of July. I'm trying to be driving that around the neighborhood before 4th of July, you know, destroy the whole neighborhood. All right, let's see what else we got. Supposedly my lady hit my car when she was coming home. I mean, I don't see no dents in her car. She says she hit it, but she says she hit my bumper. I mean, my pipes. No, I mean, looks good. Everything's still good. She's tripping. I don't know. She probably did hit. She probably hit the bash bar and bounced back, cause ain't nothing breaking this bash bar. But yeah. Yeah, so the last video I posted, that was on my PC little playlist that I put. So let me know like what you guys think. Go ahead and drop a comment on that. I'm actually gonna probably be trying to download Assetto Corsa. Want to see how that works on there, if it works good. So hopefully it does, and you know, I could get that program up and running. I'm pretty sure I built a good computer to play enough, you know, games for that. But yeah, the Miata's still good. There's nothing bad going on. I'm probably gonna check the oils. Actually, let's do that right now. I gotta check some stuff because, you know, I don't want to like break my car. All right, I was gonna put the camera down, but it's all right. So I don't have one of those hood, I don't know what they're called, the ones that hold the hood, because I took it off. It was getting in the way. The little bracket broke on it that was on it, so I always just use that. So I mean, it works good. I have no problem with it. So let's see how the oil's looking. Watch this come out all milky. Freaking blew a head gasket. Oh, looks pretty. Let me like show you guys. Looks pretty clean to me. Yup. Looks pretty full too. It looks like I'm not burning any oil. Let me see how it smells. What the fuck? This shit's on here tight. There we go. Damn, that shit got stuck on there. What the fuck is that? That's oil. Oh no, that's not oil. Whatever that is, I gotta clean that. That's like dust. That dust comes from here. So I mean, the ventilator hood is great, but at the same time, like, my engine bay be getting all dusty. That smells good. Good oil. Doesn't smell burnt. Let's check coolant. Yeah, I still got plenty of coolant. Yeah, I mean, everything's good. My reservoirs are full. I think I do gotta change my clutch, the little master cylinder oil. I mean, little fluid. I think it is black. Yup. Looks like I definitely have to do this one. That one's all black. I don't know how it turned black so fast. I remember replacing doing the whole fresh, fluid, but I guess not. So I'm gonna have to do this one all over again. So that one's got to go. Probably I didn't do it all completely. Just did enough till the pedal felt hard. So I got to go ahead and do that one. Besides that, I haven't had no problems with this. Besides the little gasket leak that I have right here. So I got to fix that. I just haven't ordered the gasket. I've been too lazy. And I still got to take it to get aligned. I had no time last weekend. I had to go out of state. What the fuck? Are you serious? Somebody fucking let gum out? Fuck, I swear. Someone's about to get capped. Besides that, everything's running good. I have no problems. No overheating problems. I do tell sometimes the car does run a little warmer, but that's when I'm like flooring it in the streets. So yeah, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and start the car. It's been over a week since I started the car. It's probably been like almost a week and a half. Nah, probably even 2 weeks. So I went ahead and grabbed my keys. We're gonna go ahead and actually turn it on. But I'm gonna see if I can put the camera. See if I can put it right here. Let the car turn on. Once the car turns on and the camera gets hit by the fans. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it real quick. Looks like it's running good. It is a little shaky, but that's because I deleted the little air control valve right here. So until that is not, how do you say, like till the car is like warmed up, we will like get rid of this, so I have to warm up the car for it to not to shake. So I'll just let it sit for a little bit, let the car warm up for a little bit, and let's see if you guys could hear it. Let me see, where's the mic on this? But I still have that exhaust leak. I'm gonna see if I can like let you guys hear it through the mic. See what I mean? I don't know if you guys heard it. I just tried to put the little air coming out of there through by the camera. So let's hope I fix it on the next time. Besides that, it started up right away actually, I mean, it's not cold outside. It's not like a cold day out here, but for 2 weeks, chilling, it runs pretty good. But yeah, also on the next video, I'm making a little video. I just have to write everything down. I'm gonna be showing how much I exactly spent on my car. That's including bolts, gaskets, everything. That's like after the motor rebuild. I'm not gonna count that because most of you guys are just turboing it right after you buy the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a list out there and see how much I spent and how much did I spend to turbo the car after a tune. I'm not gonna put how to turbo a car. And I also suggest do not get a street tune. Street tunes are cool, if you're, I don't know, like, I don't think it's like the best reliability, but I mean, if it's just to get you around, I guess, just don't like torture your car, don't freaking floor it everywhere. But save up for a full tune, save up for actual dyno tunes. I've learned a lot from my tuner, him telling me like what is the difference between a street tune and a dyno tune, and it's pretty pretty big difference. I think I still have my dyno sheet. I don't remember where I left it. I think I threw it away. I should have saved it. That was my first and only dyno sheet I've ever had. But like I said, dyno tune your car, man. Don't freaking do that street tune. That street tune is whack. You know, the best thing to do is to, you know, dyno tune it. But yeah, everything's going good. So let's see. All right, see, it's a little bit less shaky, but that's because the motor's already getting warmed up. But yeah, everything's running good. Let me check my air to fuel ratios. Yeah, those are good right there. 10-8. Those are perfect. I do have a lot more plans for the Miata. I still have to buy a lot more stuff that I got planned going on. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a huge upgrade on the Miata. Not motor wise, but exterior wise, body wise. You know, we're gonna have interior wise, all that. We're gonna have like a bunch of stuff coming in. The next probably performance thing I'm gonna get is I promised to make the car a little bit cooler. So I'm going through some ideas right now on how I'm gonna do that. So stay tuned for that. Let's hop onto the go-kart. Besides the Miata, you know, I know I kind of like threw the go-kart out of the freaking picture. So one thing I'm trying to do, I've been watching a bunch of videos. I'm trying to actually see if I could throw a turbo system on the go-kart. No, it's not something I'm gonna do like quick, but at the same time I want to see what I need and if it's possible, and if I'm not gonna waste a ton of money on it being worthless. Yeah, a turbo will be fine, but will it run? Will it gain any performance? That's what I'm trying to see. You know, I'm trying to see what I could do to make it way faster. I know I gotta delete the governor. I haven't deleted the governor off of it, but that's probably the next thing I'm gonna do.
Bring the chair. They need to bring the chair closer over here. Hey. Really?
Sorry. What's wrong? What's wrong? But yeah, stop yelling. The first thing I'm gonna do is delete that governor, and we're good to go on that one. All right, now the car's fully nice and warm. As you guys can see, it's perfect. Not one bit of shake. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It looks like ain't got no problems, no pulley wobble, no none of that. Let's see if we could rev it. Yeah, it's still healthy. So yeah, all I gotta say is this is Tuesday's upload. You guys go ahead and have a good one. That's a little update for the channel. I don't have nothing else going on for the day. Once I get a lot of parts coming in, you know, I'm gonna keep that going. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Please comment. When you guys comment, you know, it means a lot to me. And thanks for all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I try not to be boring. I try my best. But stay tuned, and you guys go ahead and have a good one. Peace.